Hello guys, welcome to next video of this course Power BI for beginners. In the previous video we have done the introduction and basic installation of Power BI. Now let's open this Power BI desktop app. So I will simply click on this open button and let's wait for some time because it takes a bit time to load. So this is the basic user interface of Power BI that comes in front of you. And as I told in the beginning of this course, you will not only be learning Power BI but also creating a one end-to-end project, which is this Power BI report. So if I just click on it, this is the report that I developed for you using Power BI. And this will be our target of this course, to create interactive dashboard like this. So if you click on these accessories, the Power BI automatically customizes the other visuals. And if you once again click here, it comes back to its original state. The next is you can view the data quarterly also. So if I click on this quarter one, it will show the data based on quarter one. If I am interested in quarter two, it will show in quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. And if you want to calculate your profit by state, then you can simply uncheck the selector option and select any state of your, like let's say Haryana. So it will show profit from the Haryana state, which is this. And you can add additional size slicer if you want to see the profit by quarter. So if I just click here quarter one, then it will show the profit by quarter one. So the quarter one profit was 940 rupees from state Haryana. This is the end result. So now let's keep it as it was before. So this is our end target that we will achieve. So let's close this. And I will reopen the Power BI desktop as we want to create a new file. So let's click on this blank report option. So this is a blank report that has opened in front of me, and let's explore a bit about this header section, or let's say home tab. So if you want to get data, so there are a number of data sources available like Excel workbook, Power BI semantic model. This you can use when you have a business account. Data flows, the same with business account, SQL server, XCSV web. And if you want more, just click on the more and this pop-up will appear. So you can extract data from XML, JSON folder and almost any data source that is present, if you can see. So that's it. Then basic is XML book where most of the data is present. SQL server, if you want to enter data manually, then there is also option to this. Recent resources. So recently I use this to see if I, that's why it's showing me these resources. Transform data is a important section of Power BI. We will explore this in next video. New visual. If you want to add new visual, just click on it here and the new visual will get added. And these are the visuals. So we will try to explore most of the visuals that are necessary for Power BI beginners to understand. So that's it. And coming forward, here is a text box. If you want to type in information, let's say e-commerce sale or project report, you can just type it, the data will be ready. You can also do basic formatting of your choice, anything, it's up to you. So these are the basic visuals, and these 3 4s are not available because they are available only with business account. That's it for this video. In next video we will be exploring this transform section of data. Thank you for watching this video.